Hello guys, welcome along to another wet morning in Ireland. Well, actually it's the same day as the last video, so it's still raining. So in today's video we're going to be looking at the switch block for the 2018 Goldwing. Later in the video we will show you the contents of the box, why you should use this, and we will also go through the installation process. So come on, let's go. To start off with, first of all, we'll open the box. All the various paperwork as normal. So this is the black one. They're also available in chrome. So the advantage of this is that will enable you to wire up lights onto your bike that you can switch on and off as you want. You don't want all your lights working through your, we say, distribution block that we installed last week, because in some countries especially you can't have your lights on all the time. So this will enable you to have your accessory lights, be able to switch them on and off. It comes generally with 3 wires for the feed outs, and I would use them for front lighting, middle lighting and rear lighting. So let's go now. We'll go up to the workshop and I will show you the installation of this. We're now going to install the switch block, and we're going to try to do it with as little work as possible and not to have to remove any plastics. So what we'll do first of all is remove the master cylinder cover. We're going to be reusing the master cylinder cover for the switch block, but not the screws. What? Text. And just have a cloth ready in case there's any spillages. We don't want to go onto the bike. Not to break fluid anyway. No. Next we have to do is bring the cabling down to the battery area. Now for that, now we've actually put through a cable tie in through the fairing, so then we don't have to take back any plastic. Do anything else, we just secure the cable. Don't make the cable too tight or you keep pulling it. Now to wire up, it goes into the accessory block in the fuse terminal in the fuse box. So neutral and live. That through there, and now we go to the other side. So we get these 2 wires over to the fuse box. And we'll cover. Top one is positive, bottom one is negative. Careful not to drop the screws. Pitch to find. I have to beat that out now. box cover. There we go. That's the fuse box done. Just put back together your side covers, your seat, and you're good to go. Don't forget to join us on the website www.shinywing.com, where you'll find this part available, and there's a link down below. So thanks for joining us, and goodbye from Paul.
With